Namaskara friends. Welcome back to our spoken English course. This is day 11. Today's topic is describing people. Today we'll learn how to describe a person's appearance and personality in simple English.
ಈ ಪಾಠದ ನಂತರ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಬಹುದು.
So let's begin. Today you will learn. Today's lesson is very useful for daily conversation. We will learn three things: appearance, personality, and simple sentences. Appearance means how someone looks. Personality means how someone behaves.
ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರನ್ನು ವರ್ಣಿಸಬಹುದು.
Appearance. Appearance means how a person looks. A person's height, body, shape, age, and face are all part of appearance.
ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಟಾಲ್, ಶಾರ್ಟ್, ಥಿನ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಎಂಬ ಪದಗಳು ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತವೆ.
Repeat after me. Appearance means how a person looks. Tall and short. Now let's learn about height. He is tall, she is short. Repeat with me. He is tall,
ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಲ್,
she is short.
ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್. ಟಾಲ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಎತ್ತರ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಕುಳ್ಳ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯ ಹೇಳಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಿ.
Thin and fat. These words describe body build. He is thin, she is fat.
ಥಿನ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೈಕಟ್ಟು, ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎಂದರೆ ದಪ್ಪ. ಮಾತನಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸುವುದು ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ.
Speak politely and respectfully. Young and old. Now let's talk about age. He is young, she is old.
ಯಂಗ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಯುವ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಎಂದರೆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವರು.
Repeat these sentences slowly and clearly. Beautiful and handsome. Now let's learn two common words. She is beautiful. He is handsome.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಎಂಬ ಪದವನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಬಳಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಎಂಬ ಪದವನ್ನು ಪುರುಷರಿಗೆ ಬಳಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Repeat after me 2 times. Personality. Personality means how a person behaves. It tells us about a person's nature.
ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಕೈಂಡ್, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ, ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್.
Remember, appearance is about looks. Personality is about behavior. Friendly. Listen carefully. He is friendly. She is friendly. A friendly person is kind, smiles at others, and is very easy to talk.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಲು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Repeat these sentences. Hardworking. Now let's learn another important word. She is hardworking. He is hardworking. A hardworking person always works sincerely and never gives up easily.
ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಶ್ರಮಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ.
Repeat after me. Honest. Next word is honest. He is honest. She is honest. An honest person always tells the truth and never cheats.
ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಸತ್ಯವಂತ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು.
Kind. Now let's learn the word kind. She is kind. He is kind. Kind people help others, speak politely, and care for everyone.
ಕೈಂಡ್ ಎಂದರೆ ದಯಾಳು.
Helping others is always a good habit. Clever. Now repeat these sentences. He is clever.
He is clever.
She is clever.
She is clever.
A clever person learns quickly and solves problems easily.
ಕ್ಲೆವರ್ ಎಂದರೆ ಚತುರ ಅಥವಾ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ.
Practice these sentences loudly. Combined sentences. Now let's join two qualities using the word and. He is tall and friendly. She is hardworking and kind.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಂಬ ಪದ ಎರಡು ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಲು ಬಳಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
Try making your own sentences using and. More examples. Here are two more examples. He is young and honest. She is beautiful and friendly. These sentences describe both appearance and personality together.
ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ.
Talking about yourself. Now let's describe ourselves. I am kind. I am hardworking. Now say one more sentence about yourself. For example, I am friendly.
ಅಥವಾ
I am honest.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿ.
Talking about family. Now let's describe our family members. My father is tall. My mother is kind. You can also say my brother is clever. My sister is friendly.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಸದಸ್ಯರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸಿ.
Practice. Now it's your turn. Translate these Kannada sentences into English.
ಅವನು ಎತ್ತರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
He is tall.
ಅವಳು ಸ್ನೇಹಪರಳು.
She is friendly. Great job. Practice makes perfect. Quick revision. Let's revise today's important words. Tall, short, thin, fat, young, old, beautiful, handsome, friendly, kind, honest, hardworking, clever. Read these words aloud 3 times.
ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಓದಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಎರಡೂ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ.
Thank you. Excellent. Today you learned how to describe people using simple English sentences.
ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in day 12. Have a wonderful day. Bye everyone.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.